Hey, this is Jayaprakash from Chennai. I'm a strategy consultant and I performed a concept called cubic memory system. You know that I'm a coach, consultant. I do have an whole session, one on session, and I'm focusing on more into MSMEs, business owners, to take them into next level, as well as the student community where I used to teach and coach my profound concept called cubic memory system. Today, we're going to learn something new which is called how to focus your concentration as well as focus. Yeah, you might be known, like many people say, like if you want to increase your level of focus and concentration, you need to do for meditation. Of course, it is one of the best tools, but is that sufficient enough? Is it practically possible every time? Can you do it? So now I'm going to reveal the world famous and the best techniques which is done by very famous mastermind Albert Einstein mind drill. What do you have to do? Student, listen to me carefully, or not only student, anybody. If you are focusing on your job, if you get able to focus your job, if you cannot able to concentrate your job, listen to me. Whatever the task you are starting, the step number one, make as a practice. Keep a timer in front of you, start the timer, and do the process. Could be reading a book, or could be on your focus, some of your task. Keep a 10 minutes time. And within the 10 minutes, whenever you have a deviation, just make a note. Keep a notebook on your left hand side or right hand side, whatever. Whenever you feel you are getting diverted deviation on the process of work or a job or even in the reading, just make a mark dot till the 10 minutes. How many times you are getting distracted, deviated, dot. That is one thing. But before that, you need to understand what is distraction, what is diversion. Say example, we read a books. When we read a book like this, suddenly our eye to eye contact deviate from the line and it goes on top of the page, or it will go to the beyond the object, beyond the book, and from there it goes to somewhere else. That is also distraction deviation. That is one way. What is our other? I'm giving you an example. You might be like wondering. Sometimes you read the particular paragraph, you do a particular task within your mind, something else, the episodic memory recall, and the mind goes there also. Say example, you are in a project related to fuel efficiency. The moment you say fuel word, it goes to like Mukesh Ambani or some of the fuel related episodes. That is also a deviation. Please understand, my dear friend. Diversion, deviation comes in a different way. That also you can note it. Please make a mark. Once the diversion is done, yes, diversion in different level. You might be listened, when I'm talking to you, I got diverted because there is a noise background, that is also diversion. So just mark that. How do you mark? Have a pen and paper or note or paper, make a dot. Whenever you feel that you are deviated in any of the sensory perception. Sometimes what happen if you are in a home, you will get some kind of smell from the kitchen. That is also deviation, diversion. Please mark that. Within the 10 minute, what are the way you are get distracted, diverted? Could be a sound, could be a sense. Please mark. That is the first step. And then listen to me carefully. You are all know about that what is affirmation, but even though I wanted to tell you that. So make sure that prepare a affirmation, three type of affirmations. You need to write literally before getting into the exercise. The first part is, find out how many deviations are there in 10 minutes. No need to count, like no need to worry. If you want, calculate how much deviation, distraction happened within 10 minutes. Make a note separately. Now, again do the process. Before that, get a affirmation of three affirmations. I'll tell you what exactly. You wanted to know? I'll tell you. I attract more focus to complete my task successfully. I am more focused now. I attract more concentration to do my task successfully. Now I am completely, fully focused and concentrated on my task. I have a very good concentration ability. These are the things you write, make a note. How to use this? I'll tell you how to use this. So now you got a set of affirmation ready. How to use that? That is a step number two now. Go back to the same task, keep a timer on for 10 minutes, and started doing it. Now, listen carefully. Whenever you felt you got diverted, make a dot, and before further proceeding, read out loudly all these affirmative sentences, what I said right now to you, and then continue. Again, you continue. Suppose if you get again, make a stop, make a dot. Again, you read that affirmations, whatever I've given you right now, and then do it. So, like that, keep the time same 10 minutes, 5 minutes, whatever you kept earlier exercise. That's all. Now, this is simple exercise. This has to do in a day at least 2 times, morning as well as evening. Mark my word. Within 1 week, you see the 10 minutes deviation, it will be drastically come down to it reach will be almost 70% down. You will be increased 70% focus and concentration. That is what the proportion of ratio. Do it. It is very famous mind drill. If you wanted to have a more detail, we have a separate class session for this. Only how to focus and how to concentrate. In school, college, they say focus, concentrate, and study well. Even in the work, also manager says you don't concentrate on the work. You don't do it in a focused way. So how to do it? Nobody knows. This is one way. There's many techniques and tools are there. I'm just giving as a like an extra mile. It is totally to get an aware of that. So do it, type it on the comment box. I would like to see your results also. You can reach out to me in the as per the advertisement. You can see my email ID, phone number, or our type out, express your experience, how you felt, what is the result. And if you wanted to have a more connect, please let me know. I'm ready to help you. Of course, the professional coaching consultant charges are there. That depends on that. But try to make use of the tools. Until then, see you with the next video. Thank you so much. Bye now.